Hello everyone. We will be studying drainage, drainage basin and water divide. First, drainage. Now what does the word drainage means? Drainage means the flow of the water. Flow of the water in its channel. And it is that water, it always flows from a higher gradient towards the lower gradients. So the drainage systems, they are also known as river systems. These are the patterns formed by the streams, rivers, and lakes in a particular basin. These drainage systems, they are influenced by the topography of the land. Topography means what type of land is present there, whether it is hard rocks or soft rocks, and the gradient of the land or the slope of the land is known as drainage. The flow of the stream, the flow of the water. Next is drainage basin. Drainage basin, it is the entire area which is drained by a river and its tributary. The entire area which is drained by the river and its tributaries. Water flows downhill and the streams of water flowing, tributaries join in. You know what is a tributary? Tributary is the small river which comes and joins the main river, right? And where the small river, where the rivers, two rivers meet, that place, it is known as the confluence of the river. So drainage basin, it is the entire area which is drained by river and its tributaries. Water flows down hills. It is also called as watershed. And an area where all the precipitation falls will drain into into the stream. All the precipitation occurring in the river basin area will flow down the hills and reach the streams. So this is drainage basin. Now there are different type of drainage basins. These drainage basins, they form different pattern. Number one pattern, this is known as dendritic pattern. Dendritic pattern is formed when the tributaries of the rivers, they join the main river like branches of tree. The pattern form is known as dendritic pattern. Then we have the rectangular pattern. In rectangular pattern, the streams, the small streams join the big streams in almost at right angle. Almost at right angle, the small streams or the tributaries join the main river. Then there is radial pattern. Radial pattern, it is found in the highland areas. The streams from streams run from all the directions like spokes of wheel. The streams from the highland, they are coming towards the lowland from all the directions. This pattern is known as radial pattern. And the fourth pattern is trellis pattern. Trellis pattern, it is found along the valleys when the rivers coming from the mountains meet the main river perpendicularly. So, so this type of pattern is formed, which is known as trellis pattern. Next term we are going to study is water divide. Water divide is a highland area that divides the drainage basin of rivers into two halves, right? Stream A is flowing here, you can see, and the tributaries are joining. And another side of the highland area, a stream along with its tributary is flowing. Now this highland area, which is segregating two river basins, it can be a mountain or a plateau or a terrain which is separating the drainage basin. This is the drainage basin highland area water divide, which is separating two drainage basin. An example of it is Ambala, which is situated amongst river Ganga and Indus. This is the highland area, and there are two river systems, right? Along the streams, two its tributaries are joining here, and it is being separated by this highland area. This is a water divide. So we have studied today about drainage, drainage basin, and water divide. I hope you have understood. Please do like and subscribe my channel.